Beats.
What's going on, guys? I hope everyone's having a great day. Today is an exciting day as well. I wanted to make this short little video for you guys, showing you guys the lift after it's powder coated and everything. Came out really good. I can't be any happier. It looks damn good, and I'm just ready to put it on the truck. Got our oven here. I know I haven't showed you guys our setup, but this is the oven. There's our thermometer. That's our heat probe there. And then we got one element up there, one down there, and our hooks to hang stuff, and we got some little shelves here to slide stuff in. I know I never made a video of the oven completed. That's been a pain in the butt, but got everything done right now, and we're just ready to put it on the truck. Probably can't see me that well right now because I can't see where I'm holding the camera, but the lift's done and it's going on today. So stay tuned for the second part, or well, not the second part, but stay tuned for the install video. I'm about to start that right after this, but I wanted to make a short video showing you guys what the lift was looking like. And yeah, so we're gonna get to it, and hope you guys enjoy it.